In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Outlook inbox view to better match the way you work. First, open Outlook and sign in to your account if needed. Go to your inbox, then click the View tab at the top of the window. From here, you can change options such as the reading pane, message preview, conversation view, folder pane, and layout. Select the settings that work best for you. If you're using the classic Outlook desktop app, click View Settings to customize columns, sorting, grouping, filtering, and other display options. If you ever want to go back to the original layout, click Reset View in the View tab to restore the default inbox view. Your changes are applied immediately, so you can adjust the view until it looks the way you want. That's how to change your Outlook inbox view. Thanks for watching.